Hello everyone that's out there. Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick Facebook Live. How's everyone doing? I'm going to just kind of hold the phone because it's kind of like all over the place. Hey guys. Hey everybody. Hey
Hi.
Karen.
Hi.
Mina, say hello.
Hi.
We're out for the day. Hey Hanifa. We're out for the day. Happy Friday.
Hi,
We made it through another week. Hey Hanifa. Hey Kelsey. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on the day, hashtag replay for me. So what I want to talk about really quick is mailbox cash. Okay. For those that don't know, I've been doing postcard marketing since 2016. So it's been, quite some time. And what's actually starting to come in the mail again. Look at this. The mailbox, guys. The company that I'm with, they have a promotion going on that's going to be from now until December 14th. Okay, so they have a promotion that's going on. Ruby to sapphire, sapphire to diamond, and diamond to double diamond. So you get an automatic upgrade when you come in starting at the ruby level. And that's going on, guys, until December 14th. So I'm going to open up these envelopes and just let you know what I got in the mail. And then shout out the people who have actually joined the opportunity. But again, guys, it's picking up. And this is a time of the year where a lot of people are getting back into postcard mailing and, putting their postcards in the mail, their cover photos and all that good stuff in the mail. So I have a sign up from Christy from Florida. Came in at the ruby level, $150. And I have 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Christy. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey Linda. Hey Nicola. Hey guys. Hey Monique. Happy Friday to everyone. I have another envelope here we're opening up that came in from Mike from Illinois. Here's the envelope. Guys, make sure to keep your tracking information. When you send your stuff out priority mail, make sure to hold on to your tracking information, okay? That's very important. Not only that, make sure to reach out to myself or your sponsors so you can get your customized cover for your postcard mailings, okay? So Mike came in at the sapphire level, and I got $100 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Mike. Glad to have you a part of the team. And we have another one here from Jason from Georgia. Jason from Georgia. Let's open this up and see what we have. So Jason, see what level he joined in at. Hey Kurt. Hey Stuart. This is for, again guys, this is for US and Canada only. So US and Canada only can participate in this opportunity, okay? So Jason came in at the ruby level and I received $50 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Jason. Glad to have you a part of the team. So yep, we have a few that came in. I didn't check the mail today, but I will be checking it on Monday. If you guys want more information, just inbox me and I'll gladly send the information over. Again, if you are a member, make sure that you get the information for where to get your postcards, where to get discounted stamps, having your cover photo made if you decide to send out envelopes instead of the postcards, okay? Hey, Ernest. How you doing? Hey, Miss Myers. Hey, Jacqueline. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. So I just wanted to say happy Friday. Open up the envelopes I received and let everybody know. Please have a safe and happy Friday. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys next week.